Hello children. Now our first chapter of class 9 it is number system. We had already started in month of March number system and already finished the first two exercises. Now the next point is decimal representation of rational numbers. We know that rational number are in the fraction form p by q form, and we can write it after dividing we can write it in the decimal form. Okay, there are two types of decimal expansion of rational number. First one is terminating and second one is non-terminating. When it is terminating decimal expansion, a rational number in the form of p by q, where there is a condition for rational number, q need not be 0, means denominator need not be 0. On division of p by q, means after division of p and q, if the remainder becomes 0, if after division if the remainder is 0, such number having terminating decimal expansion. Okay, then if remainder is not 0, such numbers have non-terminating decimal expansion. If remainder is 0, then terminating. If remainder is not 0, then non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Then this is in case of rational number. But here we have irrational numbers also. Which numbers are known as irrational numbers? That numbers which don't have the perfect square root. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 4 having perfect square. 2 square root. Okay, 2 means root 4 is not a irrational number, it is a rational number. Then what is the criteria for decimal expansion of irrational numbers? Irrational numbers have non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. What is non-terminating decimal expansion? We have seen here, after division if the remainder is not 0. But if the remainder is not 0 means it is non-terminating and it is decimal expansion of rational number. But in case of irrational number, if the remainder is not 0 and after decimal, if the numbers are different, means numbers are not repeating continuously, then the number decimal expansion is non-terminating decimal expansion. For example, here point 0.10100100 means the same number is not repeating. That's why it is irrational numbers. And again we also have the examples of root 2, root 3 like that. Okay, means these two are the criteria for decimal expansion. When it is terminating and when it is non-terminating, and there is one criteria for finding the if the decimal expansion is given, then it is rational number or irrational number. Okay, then let us take the exercise 1.3. The question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind it is. What kind it is means either it is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. Then the first question is 36 by upon 100. 36 upon 100, we know that if the denominator is 10, 100, 1000, then we can write, there is no need of division. You already know it. 36 by 100, we directly write the decimal expansion 0.36. Okay, after division it comes 0.36. If it is divided by 10, then it comes 3.6. If it is divided by 1000, 0.036. Okay, then means here the division is complete. Remainder becomes 0. Means this decimal expansion is terminating. Okay, then let's go to the second example. It is 1 by upon 11. Means we have to divide 1 by 11. Then this divisor is greater than the dividend. Okay, 1 is smaller than 11. Then we know that for the division we have to take the decimal point. Means after taking the decimal point, we have a chance to take 0 after 1. Means the number becomes 10. But here again the divisor is greater than dividend. Means 10 is less than 11. Okay, means division is not possible. Means we want one more 0. Means for that 0 after decimal point in the answer you can take 1 0 and it becomes 100. Okay, then this division is possible. 11 nines are 99. Then subtract 99 from 100. Then the division comes, sorry, remainder comes 1 again. Again same steps, means we'll have to take here one for after taking decimal point we have to take 1 0, but this is less than 11, then again take here 1 0, then it becomes again 100, then 11 nines are 99, again remainder comes 1, means the same numbers are repeating 0909, means we can write this answer as a 0.09 above 09 is repeating, means above 09 you can draw one line, means the answer of this is 0.09 is repeating, means it is terminating or non-terminating. Here it is remainder is not 0, means it is non-terminating, but in the answer the same numbers are repeating, means it is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, then let's go to third one. It is in mixed fraction, 4 1 by 8. This number is in mixed fraction. First of all, convert it into the fraction. You already know how to convert that mixed fraction into fraction. Multiply 4 into 8 plus this numerator 1 upon denominator as it is. Then it comes to 4 8 is 32 plus 1 upon 8, it is 33 upon 8. Means we have to divide here 33 by 8. Then 33 is greater than 8. We know that 8 stable. 8 4 ja 32. Then directly 8 4 ja 32. Subtraction. Then remainder comes 1. Here the number 1 is less than 8. Means we'll have to take here decimal point. It becomes 10. Then again 8 1s are 8. Subtraction. Then 2 is the remainder. After decimal point we will take 0 again. Every step will have a will taking 0. Then 8 2s are 16. Then 4 comes. Then take 0. 8 5s are 40. Here the remainder comes 0, means this type of decimal expansion is terminating decimal expansion. The answer is 4.125. This it is terminating decimal expansion. In this way, you can solve the remaining questions of question number 1 from exercise 1.3. Okay, exercise 1.3, question number 2. We have given decimal expansion of 1 upon 7. It is 0.142857, and that whole number 142857 is repeating here. Then we have to, by using this decimal expansion 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. By using this, we have to find the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, like that. Okay. Then we have given decimal expansion of 1 by 7 and we have to find the decimal expansion of 2 by 7. 2 by 7 we can write it as 2 into 1 by 7. Okay, then 2 into decimal expansion of 1 by 7 is 0.142857. Just multiply it with this and answer comes to 0.285714, and that 285714 it is repeating. Whole numbers are repeating. Same way you can write for 3 by 7. 3 by 7 we can write it as 3 into 1 by 7. 3 into this decimal expansion, then answer comes 0.428571. Okay, same way you can write for 4 by 7, 4 into 1 by 7, then 5 by 7 means 5 into 1 by 7, 6 by 7 means 6 into 1 by 7. Okay, you can do it. Then question number 3, write the following in P by Q form, means we have given the decimal form expansion and we'll have to write this decimal into the fraction form, P by Q form. Here the first question is 0.6 and the digit 6 is repeating here. Then for that, for writing the P by Q form, first of all consider the given number as a x. Here only the one number is repeating, 6 is repeating. X, let us consider x is equal to 0.6. The 6 is repeating means this number we can write it as 0.666, so many times of x. Number of times, infinitely times. And let us consider this equation as a 1. Then we know that only one digit is repeating, 6 is repeating, then you can multiply this both sides this equation by 10, means x into 10 it becomes 10x, x into 0.6666 it becomes 6.666 after multiplying one digit only transform here. Okay, then subtract, this one is equation number 2, 10x is equal to 6.666. Okay, then subtract equation 1 from 2. Equation 1 is x is equal to 0.666 and equation 2 is 10x is equal to 6.666. Okay, subtract equation 1 from 2 means 10x minus x. In right hand side 6.666 minus 0.666. Okay, after subtracting we'll get 6. 9x is equal to 6. 10x minus x, it is 9x. Then x is equal to 9x. 10x minus x is equal to 9x. Then we have to find value of x. Then x is equal to, shift this 9 to other side, then it comes to 6 upon 9. After reducing, it comes to 2 by 3. 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9. Means P by Q form of 0.6, it is 2 by 3. Okay. Then second question, 0.47. Here not 47 is repeating, only second digit is repeating. Means first consider x is equal to 0.47. 7 is repeating, means we can write this number as a 0.47 is repeating. 777 like that. Okay. Then here only one digit is repeating. Only 7 is repeating. Then multiply equation by 10. 10 into x it comes to 10x. 0.47 into x it is 4.77. Okay, this is equation number 1. Here we'll get after decimal point, means we have to find after decimal point, here two digits are there, means again we have to multiply this equation by 10, equation 1 by 10. Then 10x into 10 it is 100x, 4.77 into 10 it comes to 47.77. This is equation number 2. Again the same step, subtract equation 1 from 2. Then 100x minus 10x is equal to 47.77 minus 4.77. It comes to 43. Now 100 minus 10 is 90. 90x is equal to 43. We have to find x. X at one side, then 43 upon 90. It is not reducible. Then as it is, 0.47 is equal to 43 by 90. This is the P by Q form. Okay. Same way you can solve the third sub question from question number 3. After decimal point there are three digits, means you have to multiply it with 1000. Okay, then question number 4, express 0.999 is repeating in the P by Q form. Then let us same way, let us consider x as a 0.999, equation number 1. Then 9, only number 9 is repeating, then multiply both sides by 10, it comes to 10x into, here after multiplying it comes 9.999. Equation number 2, subtract equation 1 from 2, 10x minus x is equal to 9.999 minus 0.999. It 9 means we'll get 9x is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 upon 9 is equal to 1, means x is equal to 1. Means 0.9999, it nearly equals to 1. It is nearly equals to 1. Okay. Then solve question number 5, the just division of 1 by 17. Means you have to divide 1 by 17 and find out the answer. Very big division it is. Then question number 6 also you try to solve. 7 also. If it is not solved, we'll see after opening the school. Then question number 8 we can see afterwards. Then question number 9 is classify the following numbers as a rational or irrational. You can do it. First one, root 23, it is not a perfect square root, means it is irrational. Second one is root 225, it is a perfect square root. Square root of square of 15 means it is a rational. Then third one is division is complete. 0.3796 means it is a rational. Then fourth one, 7.478 478 means three same digits are repeating. 478 478 means it is rational number. Then fifth one, same number is not repeating, means it is irrational number. Okay, remaining exercise we'll see in the next lecture.